Okay, let's get started on replacing these ignition coils. So now let's just grab this cover, lifts right up, and we have a clear view of where we're going to work. Okay, so generally speaking, you're going to do these and you're going to do them all at the same time. For visual purposes, this one's the easiest to see with the camera, so that's what I'm going to start with. Obviously, I'm going to do them all, but this is the one I'm going to show you. Grab this, give it a little squeeze, and draw it up and off the coil. Take a peek. This looks great. Remove your mounting bolts. Grab that coil, give it a little wiggle, and draw it up and away from the engine. There it is, friends. Time to install the coil. As you can tell, they come pre-greased. That's great. Slide it right in here. Push it down until it bottoms out. Go ahead and start those bolts in. Grab that electrical wire. Click it on there and give it a tug. Let's do the same to all the rest. Now that those are all done, let's get this cover back on here. Now that we have those in there, let's go ahead and start up the vehicle. I want to check for a check engine light, and I also want to make sure that engine isn't shaking around like crazy. Well, the dash looks great. How about that engine? Yeah, that looks pretty great too.